This is my Gemmy Mustache Wigglers monkey that I got Publix on Ash Wednesday for $15. This is a very cute Gemmy item, just like the fox I have. So now I have all the ones that are sold at Publix, and I have 3 Mustache Wigglers in total now. Making it one of my biggest series besides dancing hamsters, frogs, and turtle dancers. Let's see. See, he's got a little tuft of hair. You can comb it if you want. His tag, Mustache Wiggler Love Monkey. The back. He has this mustache here. Funny nose, eyes. He's also one of the only 2 Mustache Wigglers I know about that doesn't have the phrase, "I must ask you a question" on it. See, it says, "I'll be tickled pink if you'll be mine." So yeah, the fox and the monkey are the only 2 I know about right now that don't have the phrase, "I must ask you a question." Yeah, he's got his buttons right here. He doesn't have a tail, so technically he's not a monkey, because monkeys have tails, so technically he's more like a gorilla. But I'm gonna call him a monkey anyways. He's got the butt tag, and bottom of him he takes 3 AA batteries like most Gemmy items nowadays. Yeah, he's in perfect condition. He moves his head and wiggles his mustache while he sings the song Tutti Frutti. It's I think it's the same recording as the Sidestepper monkey, not the monkey, the bunny. Sorry, I couldn't think of the name. Sidestepper bunny that was made in like 2013. Anyways, here he is. I'll play him one more time. In case you're wondering, this is the exact same one you saw in the original video of him. Just like my Mustache Wiggler Fox. I bought the same one that was in the video. But that's it for now.